Hey guys, today we are going to cover the SumIf function. Over here I have a receipt from my lunch with my colleague. She didn't have she didn't have a card with her, so they didn't accept cash. So today I'm just going to split the bill as to what was hers and what was mine. So as you can see, we have the list of items that we paid for, and then I split it up into what was mine, what was hers, and over here I've got her name and my name, and we're gonna um, just split it up. We're gonna say equal to SumIf open brackets, and then you can see they're asking for the range here, so that there is the range of the of maybe of the names that you're gonna see. So we're gonna select that range over there, and then we're gonna put a comma, and because this is Angelique's field, we're gonna put there uh, open bracket open double quotes eng, because that's what the search criteria we're gonna search for here, close double brackets, and then comma, and then the range we want to calculate is from this column here, so we're gonna just select that, and we're gonna close it off and press enter, and as you can see, it's equal to 112 rand and 40, right, for her stuff. Next is my stuff, so all we're gonna do is we're gonna copy that, we're gonna press enter, and we're gonna change the name to Dylan. And as you can see, it only starts from here, so we're gonna change that to 2, and we make that 2 as well. Okay, so it covers the whole range, and then press enter, and there you have it. That's how you use the SumIf function. Thank you. Bye.